The morning sunlight filtered through the curtains as Daniel arranged the medical supplies on a clean table. His mother sat comfortably in a chair, reading a magazine while waiting for her scheduled intramuscular injection. Because she had a long-term medical condition, their family had been trained by her healthcare provider to administer the prescribed medication safely at home. Daniel checked the prescription label one more time. "Everything matches," he said with relief. His mother smiled. "You always double-check." "I'd rather be careful than fast." He washed his hands thoroughly and prepared the supplies exactly as he had been taught during several training sessions at the clinic. The nurse's voice echoed in his memory: "Stay calm, stay organized, and never skip safety checks." Seeing his mother's nervous expression, Daniel started talking about the family vacation they were planning. "Where should we go this year?" he asked. "The mountains," she answered. "Fresh air always makes me feel better." As they chatted, the tension slowly disappeared. The atmosphere became relaxed instead of stressful. When everything was ready, Daniel confirmed that his mother was comfortable. He carefully followed the instructions given by her healthcare provider for administering her prescribed intramuscular medication. Throughout the process, he spoke calmly, explained what he was doing, and watched for any signs that she felt uncomfortable. "You're doing great," his mother said. "It's almost finished," Daniel replied reassuringly. A few moments later, the injection was complete. "That wasn't as bad as I expected," she said with a smile. Daniel safely disposed of the used medical supplies according to the guidance they had received and recorded the medication and time in her treatment log. Then he stayed with his mother for a while, as instructed by her doctor, to make sure she felt well afterward. They shared a cup of tea while chatting about everyday life. Outside, birds sang in the garden, and the morning seemed brighter than before. Later that afternoon, the clinic nurse called to check on his mother. "How did everything go?" "Very smoothly," Daniel replied. "We followed the care plan exactly." "Excellent," the nurse said. "That's why training and preparation are so important." Daniel smiled after ending the call. He realized that the most important part of giving medical care wasn't competence alone, it was respecting professional training, following medical advice, and always putting the patient's safety first. His mother looked at him proudly. "You've learned that good care isn't just about medicine. It's about responsibility," Daniel answered. She nodded. "And kindness." Together they enjoyed the peaceful afternoon, knowing that careful preparation, professional guidance, and family support had made all the difference.